Hi neighbors, welcome back to another video of Cooking with Neighbors. My name is Jerri-ellen and today we're going to be making stuffed mushrooms inspired by Olive Garden. So like a copycat, I don't know their exact recipe, but I guess we call it copycat so we can get found out there on the YouTube world. But we need some good sized button mushrooms. I'm going to wash them, I'm going to take the stem off and scoop a little bit around to the outside, make a little well, you know what I mean? And I'm going to chop up these stems. But I got to clean these up first because they're full of dirt. So, excuse me. Okay, neighbors, what felt like a second to you guys, I was out for a while with hubby. So I used my little mini chopper thing here. I did up my stems so that they're finely done up. You can use a knife, just make sure that they're kind of minced up. So there's my stems of my mushrooms. I'm going to put a half a cup of Italian seasoned breadcrumbs in there. Salt and pepper to taste. Which I'm going to just use pepper probably because I'm using a quarter of a cup of shredded Parmesan, 2 tablespoons of parsley. I'm going to use fresh parsley, would be great. I don't have any, and what they had at the store did not look that attractive, to be honest. So now I'm going to put some pepper. And I have 3 tablespoons olive oil, and I melted 2 tablespoons of butter in with that. And I want to make sure that all of this got moistened with the olive oil.
Hey, lady, you forgot something.
And butter. And I'm going to start spooning in. You want 2 cloves of garlic minced up or chopped finely. Like back of your large spoon, like you scrape just to make sure that there's enough of a nice well. And you're just going to spoon in your mixture and place it on a parchment lined baking sheet, okay? How's everybody doing? I love making stuffed mushrooms. Do a couple of different ways actually, but I like to try to bring like what they call a copycat to the channel. I don't know exact recipes of restaurants or whatever. I just research. I have a couple of cookbooks that say restaurant style this and that, and I kind of go with that basically for the most part. But sometimes you could be off by something or another ingredient, but it's going to be tasty and hopefully remind you of the place that I'm making it like, you know. So it's more in the style of, because copycat just helps what you're making for your channel get found, because people, that's what they search, copycat this or that, right? They search it. So it kind of has to be in the title for people to find it. So I'm just going to continue with that. I love appetizers. We have appetizers a lot on the weekends. I'm just sharing them more so now because it's the holidays, but maybe throughout football, I'll continue with the appetizers if people like it. So I'm just going to continue with that. Do you guys, or do you neighbors, do you like appetizers a lot? Do you have them a lot, or do you have them just on occasion? Do you have a favorite? Do you have a recipe? My email is in the About Me or whatever section on this here channel. And it's cookingwithneighbors@gmail.com, but it's spelled the Canadian way. Neighbors is spelled O-U-R instead of O-R. So if you want to email me a family recipe that you would like to share, I wouldn't mind doing that. I think it'd be fun if you have one that you want to share. Pop these in the preheated oven. Neighbors, you got to put 2 cloves of minced garlic in with the mix. It's right in front of me and I didn't put it in. So before they get cooking, I'm just going to sprinkle them with garlic powder now. So since I didn't put the 2 cloves of minced garlic in with the mix, I just sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder over the top and I'm popping them in the oven. My oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. And 30 minutes later, you take these delicious things out. These are really nice, quick and easy, very tasty. There you go, right there. I'm going to have a little taste, of course. And I hope that everybody had a great weekend. I appreciate the time that you take out of your day to spend here with me. And I love you all, and I appreciate every single one of you. I hope that you have a blessed week. Take care, everyone. Bye.